We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. Today in this video I will show you the common causes of a paper jam on your Epson EcoTank ET-3760 printer and how to fix them. One of the causes of the paper tray is going to be the settings, so I will show you how to check the settings on your paper tray. Alright, so to check your paper tray, go ahead and pull your tray out. You'll want to remove the paper, and then you want to check these blue tabs to make sure that they are adjusted in the correct place for the size of paper that you're using. You want to make sure it's locked into place. Another cause is going to be the paper alignment. Sometimes the paper in the tray is not aligned properly, or the new paper is not mixed with the old one. So what you want to do is take the new paper and mix it with the old paper from the tray and put them together. Then you want to fan out the paper and remove any condensation that may make the paper stick together, and then align all the edges all at the same time, and finally put them back into the tray. Just make sure it's not too loose and not too tight for your paper when you put it in there. Alright guys, so these steps should help eliminate some of your paper jams, but not all. If you still see paper jams, it's probably time to put your printer in first service. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.